Hi, I am Rashid Anwar from gsheets.com that is being managed by me and my friend Hassam Saeed. Nowadays, APIs, application programming interface, are quite popular among people for integrating, syncing, and exchanging the data between different applications. So the purpose of this video is to show a demo that how could we connect Google Sheets to different applications using API to get data back to Google Sheets and analyze it as we want. In this video, the other application from which we will getting the data is Free Accounting. Free Accounting is a cloud-based accounting system quite famous in Japan among small and medium-sized businesses. And we recently did a project of integrating Free with Google Sheets. So here on my screen, you can see that I have already retrieved some invoice related data to Google Sheets from Free. So in order to show a demo, I have to create an invoice from scratch in Free and will get that invoice back to Google Sheets through API call. So here we go in Free to generate an invoice. You can see the screen of Free here, and let me go to transaction invoices and need to create an invoice from scratch. You can see that these invoices we have here, hotel 1 2 invoices, and you just book quite a cafe, and almost 7 invoices we have. And similarly we have 7 invoices here in Google Sheets. So going back, create an invoice. So no need to create a customer from scratch. I want to create an invoice. I'm selecting an existing customer, and let's start creating an invoice. Okay, let's enter the invoice detail. For example, we are developing a point of sale system for this client, and quantity basically is hours. So we spent, you can say that 20 number of hours to develop this system, and we charge 1500 Japanese yen for 1 hour. Okay, so just me save this invoice. Okay, and let me get back to these invoices. So here you can see that this invoice is in draft form, and amount is 32,400. And let me get back to Google Sheets and get the data. Then is 7 invoice. You will see the next invoice here. You just book, and in row number 9. So my menu, update invoices. So you can see that you just booked invoice number 8 and point of sale in 30,000. So it's in draft form, and when we will make the payment or receive the payment, you will see that there here will be status will be changed to settled. So getting back to Free, this one, create transaction, yes, create it, and now we can make a payment of this invoice as well. Enter your payment here. So preserve, we receive payment in cash and preservation. So you have created a payment for your just successfully. Okay. So just let me update the status in Google Sheets. My menu, update invoices, and okay, you can see that here is the status change to settled. So that's really good. Now you can analyze this data here. You can connect this data to Google Data Studio to create data visualizations and different dashboards, and you can further share that reports to other users of the organization, and many things you can do. So similarly, we can post the data back to Free from Google Sheets through API call, and that's really amazing thing, and that I will be covering in my upcoming series of API related videos. We will also cover the Google Sheets connectivity to other famous applications through APIs like QuickBooks Online, Zero Accounting, Airtable, Airbnb, and Zillow. These are famous applications that are being used, so we will be covering that as well. Thanks for watching video, and that's it.